With the onset of the rainy season expected next week, the Red Cross Caloocan City chapter led a flood drill in Barangay 120 Caloocan City to prepare for it. This report from Yumi Lugod.
The onset of the rainy season is expected this week. Weather Bureau Pag-asa says the frequent rains happening this past few days is almost hitting the rainfall target.
Well, ito yung binabantay nating ulan sa mga monitoring stations mostly dito sa western section ng Luzon. So, ano ba yung criteria na yun? So, ito yung patungkol sa pagbabantay ng dami ng ulan. So, kailangan 5 na station out of 8 station ay ma-meet itong criteria.
Aurelio says the Doppler radar station in the west must detect at least 25 millimeters of rain within 5 days. And in those 5 days, the amount of rainfall produced daily must be at least 1 millimeter in 3 consecutive days. But before the Weather Bureau officially declares the rainy season, the southwest monsoon or habagat must be the prevailing wind in the atmosphere.
Itong habagat malapit sa atin. Nasa West Philippines itong habagat at so ito na lang at malapit na tayong magdeklara na rainy season.
This is an evacuation drill. Collect your personal belongings and exit the building.
Meanwhile, the Caloocan City Red Cross held a flood drill to prepare for the rainy season. More than 200 families of Barangay 120 have joined the activity. The drill shows the actual scenario during a flood in the area.
So saktong-sakto bago pumasok yung tag-ulan, nahanda na natin yung mga tao. Nagkaroon na sila ng mga exercises related to this. Kasi sigurado po tayo na talagang itong mga areas na to na nasakop ng ating barangay ay mag-undergo talaga silang flooding. So normal na sa kanila yon. But importante dyan, magkaroon tayo ng 0 casualties.
Barangay Chairman Antonio Duran says flooding has been a problem in their place over the years due to the Maligaya Creek situated in their area.
Sa nakasanayan namin o yung obserbahan namin lagi sa lugar namin, basta bumuhos na yung ulan, kahit hindi bagyo, basta umabot siya ng mga 30 minutes, meron na siya agad tubig baha. Pag may bagyo talaga, umabot siya ng buong maghapon yung ulan, talagang nag-aano siya ng hanggang lampas tao talaga.
Hanggang dito na, umaalis na kami ng bahay. Malakas na kasi nakikita namin yung tubig dun sa may lugar namin, unti-unti nang tumataas. Nagbabalot-balot na kami ng konting damit namin, sasabayan namin ng alis.
The Philippine Red Cross has been doing this drill for 3 years now. What they want to achieve is to instill in the minds and hearts of the residents that readiness is key in every calamity that are about to come. Yumi Lugod, CNN Philippines.